How to create an overlay effect on Wix. In order to do that, you can actually do that on a section background image. So as you can see right here, my section has a background image. Now for this one, just right click on that particular section. And in here, you can see the change background option. Now in here on the section background settings, you can see this. Now in here, what we can do next is we can just head over and click on the adjust symbol, which is this one. Now, once you have clicked on it, it will show up the Photo Studio. So for this Photo Studio, you can actually do a lot of things like the filters, eraser, AI, regenerate, and lot. So for this one, you can also find the overlay option as well. So just click on this more option if you want to find it. And here we can see the overlay. So for example, for this one, let's add this sort of lighting. And it should be able to load. And as you can see, it's been added like that. You can also add in your smoke if you want, or other things like this retro film. So just choose which one you want to use and then click on save. Then after that, it should be able to be added to your section background. So that's how you actually create an overlay effect on Wix. Hope we helped.